English together.
At the fast food restaurant.
Hey, Mark! Are you ready to grab some food? I'm really hungry.
Yes, I'm ready. I've been thinking about getting a burger. How about you?
A burger sounds great. I think I want a cheeseburger with extra cheese.
I love cheeseburgers. Do you want to go inside the restaurant or get it to take away?
Let's go inside. I like to see the menu and choose what I want. Plus, we can sit down and eat together.
Good idea. Let's go in.
Wow, look at all the options. They have chicken nuggets, fries, and salads too.
I think I'll get the classic burger with fries. I can't resist their fries.
Their fries are the best. I might get a side of fries too. Should we share a drink?
Sure, let's get a large soda. We can split it. What flavor do you want?
I love cola. Let's get that. And maybe we can also get some dipping sauce for the fries.
Good idea. I like barbecue sauce. How about you?
I like sweet and sour sauce. It's perfect with fries.
Okay, so here's the plan. I'll order a classic burger, fries, and a large cola to share. You'll get a cheeseburger, fries, and sweet and sour sauce.
Sounds perfect. Let's go to the counter to order.
What can I get for you?
Hi, we'd like to order, please. I'll have a classic burger, fries, and a large cola.
And I'll have a cheeseburger, fries, and sweet and sour sauce.
Great. That will be $20. Would you like anything else?
No, that's all for us.
Okay. Your order will be ready in a few minutes.
Awesome. Let's find a table while we wait.
Good idea.
I can't wait to eat. This is going to be so good.
Me too. Fast food is always a treat.
Yes, and it's even better when we eat together.
Asking for what you need.
Can I turn on the television? I'm dying to watch the football game.
Go ahead. The remote is on the chair.
Thanks.
Hey, do you want something to drink? I'm about to get myself a Coke.
That would be great. A Coke would hit the spot.
You got it. How's the game so far?
Great. The home team is looking strong. By the way, can we turn on the air conditioner? It's really getting hot here.
Yeah, I'll get it.
Thanks.
No problem.
This is the perfect way to spend a hot afternoon.
Agreed. And with a nice cold Coke, it's even better.
Absolutely. Nothing beats watching a good game with the air conditioning on and a cold drink.
You got that right.
Before we go on to the next conversation, please remember to give us a like, share the video with your friends,
and subscribe to our channel.
Household chores.
In my family, we all help with chores around the house. How does your family share the chores?
Oh, that's nice. In my family, my mom does a lot. She sweeps the floor. She cooks our meals. She does the laundry. She even irons our clothes.
Wow, your mom does a lot. What about your dad?
My dad helps too. He washes the car. He lifts heavy things. He fixes stuff when it breaks around the house.
That's great. And what does your brother do?
My brother is helpful as well. He washes the dishes after dinner. He waters the plants. He cleans the windows.
Sounds like everyone has a job. What chores do you do?
I have my own chores too. I take out the rubbish. I tidy up my room. I also feed our dog.
Nice. Taking care of a dog is important.
Sometimes I also vacuum the living room.
Oh, that's helpful. I should probably help with that more often.
It can be fun to do chores together. We can put on some music and make it a game.
That sounds like a great idea. I like listening to music while I clean.
Me too. It makes the chores feel less boring.
Ordering food at a restaurant.
Good afternoon. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I'd like to start with a Caesar salad, please.
Sure, the Caesar salad is a great choice. And for your main course?
I'll have the grilled steak with mashed potatoes and steamed vegetables.
Excellent choice. How would you like your steak cooked? We have options like well done, medium, or rare.
I prefer it to be medium, please.
Noted. And for dessert, what would you like?
I'll have the chocolate cake, please. It sounds delicious.
Great choice. The chocolate cake is very popular. Anything to drink with your meal?
I'll have a glass of iced tea, please.
Perfect. Just to confirm, your order is a Caesar salad, grilled steak cooked medium, mashed potatoes, steamed vegetables, chocolate cake for dessert, and a glass of iced tea. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Thank you for your order. Your food will be ready shortly.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.